In this tutorial, we will be adding holidays to Win-Pak. First, click on Configuration, Time Management, and Holiday Group. Click on the Add button to add your holiday group name. For this example, I will be using Honeywell Holidays. Go ahead and click on the Add button to add your individual holidays. For this example, I will be using 4th of July. Click on the box with the 3 dots and choose July 4th and click OK. As 4th of July will fall on 4th of July every year, Apply to all years will remain checked. Holiday 1 will also remain checked. Holiday 1 may be used on all panel types in Win-Pak. Note: Holiday Type 2 is applicable only to the NS2 Plus panels. Holiday Types 2 and 3 are applicable to the NetAccess panels. Go ahead and click OK. I will add another holiday. This one will be Thanksgiving. Click on the box with the 3 dots and choose November 24th and click OK. As Thanksgiving does not fall on November 24th every year, Apply to all years will be unchecked. Click OK. Once all your holidays are added, go ahead and click OK. Click out of the Holiday Group box. Next, we need to add our holiday group to the panel. Click on Configuration, Device, and Device Map. Click the plus next to your communication server. I will be adding my holiday group to my NetAccess 123 panel. Right-click on the panel and go to Configure. Choose the Time Zones tab, and at the bottom of the Time Zones tab you will see a Holiday Group drop-down box. Choose the drop-down. Choose your new Honeywell Holidays group and click OK. And close out of your device map.